So, should we go inside? Yes. We're doing another weird bird video.
Wait, what's that?
Bro, we just started recording. What is this? Hold on, let's take it inside. It's getting like wet. Let's take it inside. This looks exactly like the dinosaurs I have been seeing. But this is tearing his raindrops don't work. Wait, what is this? Look, 549. Stop. Why are you moving the phone? Hostile species.
549. Hostile species. Rush.
I said 49. What?
549. That's probably when the weird birds are going to start coming out again.
No, look, I said, no, it's 49. 549.
That's what I said.
Wait, no. This might be like how much dinosaurs there are in this world, I think. Wait. Name. Wait, are we going to finally see what their name is actually called?
I think so, yeah.
I hope we do. Name. Archin. Is that a T? Yeah, that's a T. Troodontiid. We finally know what this dinosaur is called. It's called an Troodontiid.
Oh my god.
I don't know what it's called.
Rush. I think that paper meant something.
Grab it!
I think that paper was left by one of the weird birds. I think they knew.
Bro, no weird bird can draw this. Something might draw. Wait. What if all the Wayho papers? Those are. I actually searched it up yesterday. They're actually like people in like bodysuits, and they're really good artists drawing dinosaurs. What if Wayho drew this?
Yeah, and what is?
This should be a Wayho. What is it? But what is it doing on a rainy day? Okay.
It's not. Okay, it's sprinkling. Maybe we still have enough time to look outside.
Okay, you stay in front of me while I'll watch, okay?
Okay. I don't see anything. That paper is definitely connected to the weird birds. Come on, let's go!
Get inside.
Maybe we can find Carson. Where is he?
Probably in here. Where is he?
Huh? You checked our room, right?
Let's see. Oh, he's right there.
Hey, we found a weird paper that you might want to see.
Yeah.
It's over here.
Look what we found. Wait, where is it?
Wait, where is it?
Somebody hide it?
Did you leave it out there?
I don't know.
Huh? That's weird. Carson! Carson! 3, 2, 1. I can't open it. Was it fully? Ow!
Oh my.
What just happened?
I don't know. It just locked me out.
Look, the paper's right here. Oh, wait, paper. No, it isn't. Where is that paper?
Did a Wayho just come in here and just take it?
Oh, this is so strange.
Yeah.
Guys, maybe we should end the video.
Yeah, let's just end it.